Morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this time, everybody been fighting a battle. But just pray and ask God to carry you through. Don't fight and don't put yourself in no problem. Scripture right here, Exodus 14:14. The Lord shall fight for you, and you shall hold your peace. Write this and speak. Make he do all the fighting, guys. So many things been going on in the world, we cannot manage it. Only he can manage it. He up there and he see everything that's happened to his children then. Some in the hospital right now, guy. Some gone home. Just thank him for this morning, he wake you up. If he may give you a piece of bread and a cup of coffee, thank him. If you have strength, thank him. If you have a little money in your hand, just say thank you, Jesus. And ask him to lead you right through the day. Guy, about to do my channel now. And I thank you, guys, to like and share to my channel. And I appreciate everyone that like and share. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Like and share and subscribe to mine. And comment, guys, whatever you want me to show and show you. Comment on it, guys, please. Okay, guys, this is a Highland table runner. And this is 4 table mat. Guys, I already soaked these. And guys, this is how I did it. I join them together and I turn them over. So I turn it over and I leave a hole to open where I can turn them over. With the island now, see here, guys. I leave a hole where I can turn it over. Then I got to close it back. I'm going to the machine now, guys, to finish it up. So I did it. I do width. And to the width here, 28. Just add 1 inch. And you're taking ½ inch and ½ inch for every size. Length, 38. 1 inch. Taking ½ inch and ½ inch. And guys, remember, it's 2 sides and this is 2 sides. And thank you, guys. Sewing is my life. I go to school for this sewing in Jamaica. But I thank God I have a trade to live off of. And I thank you. Thank you, guys. Something you can make your money off of it, guys. So do your sewing. If you love it, go ahead and do it. Don't make nobody stop you. They said when you're born to do something, then nothing can stop you from doing it. And thank you, guys. Guys, I gotta close back the hole now, guys.